In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see presentation notes while presenting PowerPoint slides on Zoom. By the end, you'll be able to show a clean, full-screen slideshow to your audience while you privately view your notes and upcoming slides. Start by opening your PowerPoint and starting the presentation so it enters full-screen slideshow mode. You'll know you're in the right place when the slide fills the screen with no editing tools around it. When the slideshow is running, PowerPoint also provides a separate presenter view window, which shows your current slide, the next slide, your notes, and helpful controls. If you press Alt+Tab on Windows, you'll see both the full-screen slideshow window and a presenter view window in the list. That's your cue that presenter view is available and ready. Now, switch to your Zoom meeting. Along the bottom of the Zoom window, click Share. Zoom will show options to share either your entire screen or a specific application window. Here's the key. Make sure you choose the full-screen PowerPoint slideshow window, not the presenter view window. The preview thumbnail for the full-screen slideshow will look like a single slide filling the frame. The presenter view preview, by contrast, will show multiple panels with notes and the next slide. Select the full-screen slideshow window and start sharing. Once you're sharing the full-screen slideshow to Zoom, go back to PowerPoint and bring the presenter view window to the front. Your participants will continue to see the full slide presentation because Zoom is locked to that specific full-screen window you selected. Meanwhile, you can comfortably control the presentation from presenter view, using the next and previous arrows, checking your timer, glancing at the next slide, and reading your notes without exposing them to the audience. A few practical tips as you work. Take a moment before the meeting to practice Alt+Tab so you can quickly switch between Zoom and PowerPoint. If your notes text looks small, Presenter View lets you increase the font size without affecting what viewers see. If you accidentally shared the presenter view by mistake, simply click Stop Share in Zoom and start sharing again, this time choosing the full screen slideshow window. And if you prefer fewer on-screen distractions, share just the application window instead of your entire screen so notifications and other apps don't appear. That's all there is to it. Start the presentation, choose the correct window in Zoom, then control everything from presenter view while your audience sees a polished full-screen show. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.